Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, and today I am super duper excited to be unboxing the Lovecasa casserole dish. Here's the box, and I'm so excited to open this. So here we have the Lovecasa box. It is really big and heavy, and I'm gonna try getting this out. So here we have the Lovecasa box, and it comes with an Amazon receipt which says this is a 4.5 quarts non-stick casserole dish with lid by Lovecasa, and it is 9 times 13 inches lasagna pan deep, and it is made out of ceramic material and is a baking dish. So let's open the box. Don't forget to have parent supervision while cutting with blades or scissors. Now, here I'm going to start getting the dish out. It's hard to get out. It comes with styrofoam pieces to protect the dish. So it comes in the red gradient color, but there's 3 color options: blue gray, and red gradient. And here we're gonna cut the tape to get the lid out from the top of the pot or casserole dish. And the tape is really thick so it can protect the lid. Now here we have the lid top, the lid, and the casserole dish. This comes again in the red gradient color. And this is oven safe, microwave safe, freezer safe, and dishwasher safe. And for the oven, it is 428 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's how the lid looks like. It has a great interior and exterior. It looks really sturdy and good quality, and it is heavy. Also here, this is the casserole dish where you can put casserole and lasagna. It also has a great interior and exterior. It is also really heavy, but really good quality. So a tip is to not put it to direct fire because it can ruin the dish. Also use silicone utensils to avoid scratches. The best thing is you can cook and serve in this dish, and also it is oven safe up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, microwave safe, oven freezer safe, and dishwasher safe. Also, I would give a review on this once I test it out. This is only an unboxing. That is why I would give you a review in the next video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell notification to always get our new videos. Bye guys, bye. See you in the next video.